If you're looking for a Wi-Fi device, we highly recommend this Ninja Wifi. You can get this at the airport, but you can get it also sent to your hotel or the place that you'll be staying at. A lot of the times in Japan, it's kind of hard to find Wi-Fi. They've gotten better, actually a lot better than years ago about providing Wi-Fi everywhere, but there was a time where we weren't able to find Wi-Fi in a lot of places. And until this day, you know, if you're trying to go to the train station, you're definitely going to want to have Wi-Fi to get directions. And these portable Wi-Fi hotspots are the way to go. And they're super cheap. So this one we've had for 2 weeks, and it was less than $100. Actually, I think it was like $67.
Yeah, and then if you split it with your friends or, you know, whoever you're going with, so we're splitting it, I mean, that's a very good deal to get unlimited. And there's different plans, but we got the unlimited plan. So for unlimited Wi-Fi for 2 weeks, I feel like that's a really, really good deal. Compared to other pocket Wi-Fis we've seen out there, I feel like this is the best deal for Japan.
Yeah, so we actually own 2 portable Wi-Fis or portable hotspots, and that's Skyroam and TEP Wi-Fi, or travel Wi-Fi is what they call it now. Yes. So we've tried 2 different ones, and they're great, but they have a limit with their daily data, which is like a gig or 2 gigs. You could probably pay more, so you can have more data throughout the day, but 1 gig goes by super fast nowadays, especially since everybody is viewing videos and uploading videos. Yes. So this is unlimited, and it goes, so you can use it all you want. Candy and I have been using it, you know,
throughout the day, just uploading like Instagram stories, doing TikTok, watching videos. We're in the suburbs of Japan, and we aren't that far from a very touristy destination called Narita, which is, you know, very close to Narita International Airport. And that city, if you go into the tourist areas, there is like city Wi-Fi. But once you come out of that zone, there is no Wi-Fi, and that's when we actually really need it, because then we need directions to go to our next destination. So that's when it really comes in handy using this travel Wi-Fi.
Yeah, and it's worked out really great. We haven't lost Wi-Fi anywhere. They did say, you know, for it to work, you have to be within 100 meters, I think they said. And then you'll notice like, oh yeah, I have less bars, but yeah, it's been working flawlessly. We haven't lost Wi-Fi at all using this. It's worked great. It's fast.
Yeah, like so if Crystal has it in her bag and I'm walking next to her, I'm just like a little bit away from her, I'm still able to grab the signal. So that hasn't been an issue at all.
Yeah.
A little bit about the process. So basically what we did was, before we came to Japan, Crystal went online to their website and basically selected the options that she wanted. She wanted unlimited Wi-Fi, and she wanted to pick it up at the airport that we were arriving at, which we arrived at Narita International Airport. So if you do not want to pick it up at the airport, or if the counter is closed by the time you arrive at the airport, that's not an issue. You can actually have the device mailed to your hotel or wherever you're staying, and that's all done throughout the checkout process online. Am I missing anything else, like what you did online? It's pretty straightforward.
No, it's very straightforward. You just select a few things and then you're done. And so once I got to the airport, we went to the counter, and they also give you like this map of where the booth is to pick up the device. So Candy had already arrived in Japan the day before, so she checked it out for me. And the booth was right there, but I guess that the day that I went, they had a different location, but it was just like a couple more booths down. Anyway, it's super easy to find is what I'm trying to say. And they were all ready. They had my name down, and the guy showed us how to turn it on and made sure with us that it worked. So he made sure that both of our phones worked with the Wi-Fi device, which was really nice of him to do.
Check. Yeah, he made sure that our internet was working and everything. Yeah.
So, you know, if you're one of those types who are like, oh, I don't know if I can figure it out, they're going to do it for you anyway. So that was great.
Which really don't have to do anything. You just turn that on. That's it. So
yeah, that's it. I haven't really done anything with this besides charging it. So like you can, you know, scroll up on it and it'll give you some information. Which today we've already used 1.21 gigabytes, which means we already went over what we usually have.
And the day hasn't even ended yet.
Yeah. So yeah, it's not even, what time is it? It's just 1:10.
It's 1:10 p.m.
in the afternoon. So yeah, Very, very useful. The only thing with this that I've noticed is that the battery,
it runs out pretty fast.
Yeah, it eats up the battery really, really fast. So let's see, we've been using this for
6 hours
6
now?
hours, and I have a quarter of the battery left. So I'm obviously gonna have to charge it because we're still gonna do things throughout the day today. So just make sure you have a charging device with you so you can charge this. They also have an option on their website where you can get like a supercharger to charge this the whole time. But I was like, well, I don't think we really need it, and we have charging devices anyway.
We both have our own charging devices, so we didn't want to pay the extra fee for that. And so far, and we've been here almost a week and a half now, and it has not been an issue where we just kind of use our own charging devices. So
yeah. So what comes with it is obviously the device and the charger with the cable. And they actually have another USB port here. So what I've been doing is charging my phone at the same time when I charge this at night. So it's actually pretty useful what they provide. And that comes with like a case and some information in there as well.
also, there is an option if you want to put insurance on the phone. So say, for example, you dropped it and you broke it or you lost it. If you put insurance on it, you know, that would cover it. But
I just didn't think we needed it, so we didn't get it. But if you want to, if you're the type that wants to get insured, it wasn't even that much more. No. I think if we would have gotten that, that would have been about $100. But again, for 2 weeks for unlimited data. So it is a good deal. But I just thought we didn't need it, so we opted not to.
Yeah, but if you're the type that's a little bit worried, like, oh, I'm clumsy or I lose things often, then it's probably a good idea to get it. Because I think the fee, if you do lose it, it's like over $300 or something when I saw the contract. So after our trip is over, you're probably wondering, okay, what do you do with the device? You take it back to the exact same place where you picked it up, and you don't even have to talk to anyone. There is actually a little drop box there, and you just drop it in the drop box. So that's how simple it is. It's a very easy process, easy to use. I highly recommend using it because, especially when you're in Japan, you just want to record everything. So I feel like you'll use the data really fast. So having
if you want to upload videos,
yeah, especially videos. If you're just going to check emails and stuff, it's probably not necessary to get unlimited. But if you're going to do a lot of video content, definitely get the unlimited plan because I think that's the way to go if you're very into the video stuff.
So yeah, I think that's basically it about this device. It's super simple to pick up, easy to use, just a great thing to have while you're in Japan if you need Wi-Fi.
Yes, they make the process very painless. And yeah. Yes, that's it, right? Sorry, I'm like repeating Crystal. She's like, girl, I already said that.
What I said. So we hope this review helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.